Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming exactly what you have. Know the transmitter model and frequency so you choose the right antenna and cable. Once done, inspect connectors and tighten or replace any frayed coax. Loose connections waste power and cause SWR problems. Make sure the power supply matches the unit. Correct voltage and sufficient current, plus a fuse or breaker for safety. You'll want grounding and basic PPE nearby. This avoids sparks and protects sensitive electronics as you proceed to the physical hookup. Next, connect the coax to the transmitter output and to the antenna feed. Use torque on connectors and proper adapters for mismatched types. Once connected, route the coax with gentle curves. Sharp bends raise loss, and parallel runs with AC wiring cause interference. Then attach control and audio lines, keying or PTT, microphone, and any external mods, confirming pinouts to avoid shorts. After that, power on just the control circuitry first to test signaling, before applying full transmit power. Now, power up at low output and measure SWR with an inline meter or analyzer. Low SWR protects the final stage. Adjust antenna length or matching network until acceptable. Once tuned, run a short-range test transmission while observing current draw and temperature. Listen for distortion and check spectrum if you can. Finally, secure all connectors and document settings. If you get high SWR or overheating, stop immediately. Inspect for loose connectors, damaged coax, or incorrect grounding. That single check resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.